Hello guys, Ivan here. So welcome to the new video. So in this video we'll check out this beautiful G63 AMG, and it's in special color China blue. So this is very special paint because you're not gonna see many cars with this paint on the road. And also I shot previously the G63 in polar white, and it seems like you really enjoyed that video. So here we are going to take a look at this more special spec, and also don't forget to check out my experience in Graz when I was driving the G63 on various different situations. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified for all new videos, and let me know in the comment section down below what's your favorite spec on the G63 exterior and also the interior. The front grille is in chrome, so that can be also blacked out, as well as we can see here the multi-beam LED headlights with this ring, which is cut in the middle. So this ring is very special. Also this car features the night package, because you can see blacked out parts on the front bumper, and also the indicators, they are like smoked, and also the mirrors are in high gloss black. So here are the smoked iconic indicators for the G-Class, and looks really amazing. This car has very specific design, that's why many people love it. So here on the front fender we can see V8 by Turbo badge and AMG badge, and here we can see the AMG cross-spoke forged wheels in matte black with the silver outer rim, Scorpion Zero tires, 295/40 22-inch, and at the rear as well. And here, for example, we have E63S with the same wheels, but on the E63 we have gold calipers because this car has carbon ceramic brakes, unlike the G63, which has red brake calipers and steel brakes. So now let's open the fuel cap. We can see recommended tire pressure, and of course recommended petrol, which is 98 RON or more, ideally 100 or more here in Europe. So you can see here the vent. These also release the pressure from the vehicle, so it's not only by the design, and G63 in high gloss black badge that is possible to order as well. And also the night package blacks out this part on the spare tire cover, and also spare tire cover itself round is in high gloss black, as well as this AMG badge on the left side of the G63. The handle is still in matte black. We have also tow hook here, and also on the rear bumper these two elements are in high gloss black, and very slim tail lamps. So now let's open the hood and check out this powertrain, iconic G63 sound. So the G63 features well-known 4.0 liter V8 bi-turbo engine in a hot V setup, so the turbos are on the top of the cylinder banks on the inside of them. And here we have power of 430 kilowatts or 585 horsepower, and torque is 850 newton meters, and that's 627 pound-feet of torque. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour, this car can sprint in only 4.5 seconds. To 60 it would be even lower. And the top speed with optional AMG driver's package is 240 kilometers per hour. And the top speed with optional AMG driver's package is 240 kilometers per hour or 149 miles per hour. And we have of course the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system with 3 differential locks, which is very unique, and only the G-Class from AMG lineup has these differential locks, which are very useful in the off-road situations. So now let's start the engine and listen to this amazing exhaust sound. Alright guys, so let's check the interior. So here you can see the Schuckel approved. So that means that every G-Class has this badge. It was developed on the mountain Schuckel in the Austria near Graz. And here you can see the diamond stitching and Burmester sound system. Door card is also in leather. We have carbon fiber here, beautiful beige leather. controls for the windows, and here you can see turbine style vents, steering wheel and seats, also exclusive diamond stitching with red seat belts. So let's hop inside. Alright guys, so you can see the G-Class invitation here together with AMG. We can start the car, turn the seat heating on. We have also seat ventilation here. Here with this button you can also fold and unfold the mirrors, controls for the windows. You can close the rear windows to open by rear passengers. Carbon fiber decor in the middle, and these seats are fully electric, massage seats, memory seats as well, and Burmester sound system, fully electric AMG performance steering wheel, which is also heated if you turn it. So with the G63 you can see we have command infotainment system, and you can control it here in the center tunnel with this circle, and also by swiping. So in vehicle you can set up massage seats, energizing comfort, climate control, the usual stuff. And you can see also the grab handle. So this is G manufacturer special version. Diamond stitching on the seats. As you can see, AMG badge here in the middle. And perforation so the seats can be ventilated as well. Really soft and exclusive Napa leather. Some compartment in the middle with USB-A ports and SD card slot. Here you have some cup holders and 12-volt socket, IWC Schaffhausen clock, dual zone AC unit in the front, and the famous differentials front, middle and rear differential. So you can see headlights here. We have parking lights, automatic and main headlights. Also with multi-beam you can have can cut out ongoing traffic, and you can see here the Distronic active lane keeping assist. This car has also Distronic here, so you can set the distance between vehicle in front of you, and the steering wheel is now really hot. So I'm going to turn it, you can see here, off or on. And you can change here the style into the sport, classic or progressive, and also change it up. So really great place to be. You can see also here very soft Napa leather and glove compartment. With this one you need to close it manually with the G-Class. This smaller sunroof, you can say. Also Burmester system here, and suede leather on the top. Huge sun visor with light and mirror, and microphones on the call. You can see here everything is wrapped in leather. So very nice. With this one you control the middle screen. So this is how it looks with ambient lights. Really great looking. It changes the interior really a lot. So let's start the engine, and we can check out the rear seats. Also very nice Burmester speaker here, which is similar to the indicator. And one more thing I want to show you how indicator look at the front. We have also here the aluminum pedals, and this is just to cover from the AMG floor mats. So yeah, here are the rear seats. You can see we have 2 full seats and 1 smaller in the middle. Also here is a armrest with 2 cup holders. The roof is smaller, window roof. And you have also here settings for the AC in the rear. You can lower the temperature and also the fan. Here you can store something. And very nice carbon fiber as well with diamond stitching. And Burmester sound system. You can hear also the exhaust. And spare tire as always with G-Class. You can see full-size tire with the rim. And this massive, it's very heavy. We have a carbon fiber here. G-Class all-weather rubber floor mat. And we have AMG private lounge envelope. This is just my backpack, so this is how it fits here. We have a lot of space here basically. And this is how the interior looks from the rear. Also diamond stitching here in the boot. Very, very beautiful. Yeah, and it's also snowing, so we have some crazy weather. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Let me know how do you like this beautiful China Blue AMG G63 in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and turn on all notifications so you are notified for all new videos. Thank you for support and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.